Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Shein payment failed issue. So to fix a failed Shein payment, first make sure your payment details and available funds are correct and your bank has not blocked the transaction. For example, if you would like to make this item on checkout, and make sure that you are selecting a debit or credit card that has enough balance in it. And first of all, you have to verify your card details. If the card number or expiration date and security code are entered correctly, this should not be happening. So if it happens to you and your payment is not getting through, select credit or debit card and then simply check the detail. Secondly, if it's still not working for you, then you have to contact your bank. For example, if you have a Chase Bank card on payment method, contact them and ask them why the fund has been blocked. And lastly, confirm and validate your card. First of all, ensure that your card is not expired and it is enabled for online or international transaction if needed. Once you make sure all of these are done, you will be able to make through your payment for Shein.